Are you wondering, how do you use Serenity Essential Oil? Or where do you apply Serenity Essential Oil? Or if you can take doTERRA's Serenity Oil internally. In this video, I'm gonna cover all those things and more. Stick around to the end and I'm gonna teach you how to download my essential oil usage guide that is the perfect companion for anybody just getting started out with essential oils. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Okay, so you're wondering, how do I use Serenity Essential Oil? And in this video, I'm gonna cover that and so much more. So doTERRA's Serenity Essential Oil Blend is a peaceful blend of essential oils that help support a restful night's sleep. It soothes away the cares of the day so that you and your family can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. doTERRA Serenity was specifically designed to support relaxation and restorative sleep, which is so very, very important for us. This best-selling blend combines wood essential oils, floral essential oils, along with a few herb essential oils that are renowned for their abilities to calm tension and promote a good night's sleep. There are 9 ingredients that contribute to this blend's restful qualities. Ylang essential oil is distilled from a fragrant drooping flower of a tropical tree native to the Philippines. Research into Ylangling's health benefits began in the early 20th century when a French chemist noticed the calming properties of this essential oil. Next, we have Roman chamomile. Roman chamomile is an emotionally comforting and calming essential oil. It's revered for its ability to calm, relax, and quiet the body and mind. Next, we have lavender. The fresh, flowery aroma of lavender has been known for centuries to dispel tension and relieve anxious feelings. The next essential oil in this blend is Vetiver. Vetiver is a rich, earthy scent and is one of the earth's most grounding essential oils. Ho wood is calming thanks to its high concentration of linalool. Hawaiian sandalwood essential oil is woody, earthy, and extremely relaxing. Marjoram is emotionally soothing. Cedarwood is high in cedral, which has been studied extensively for its ability to calm nerves. And finally, vanilla absolute, which soothes away worry and encourages feelings of love and connection. Together, these essential oils create a highly relaxing blend that is perfect to complement your bedtime routine. You can diffuse it, you can use it topically, and you can also use the doTERRA Serenity Restful Soft Gels if you'd like to take it internally. This blend can help you and your family unwind at the end of the day and prepare for a good night's sleep. So here are a few of my favorite ways I like to use this essential oil. The first way is I love to put it in my diffuser. There are a couple different oils that I often will mix with Serenity, but you can put just Serenity in your diffuser and it is super effective. My favorite oil to blend with Serenity is another blend called Balance. Now you can find my Serenity diffuser blend combinations in the cards above. The next way I love using Serenity Essential Oil is to take a few drops and apply them to the bottom of my feet before I go to bed each night. You can also put a few drops in your hand, rub your hands together, and simply breathe in to help lessen tension. You can add 2 to 3 drops along with some Epsom salt into your bath to create a relaxing, renewing experience. And finally, you can apply 2 to 3 drops to the back of your neck or over your heart for feelings of calmness and peace. Those are my favorite ways I like to use Serenity Essential Oil. I would love to hear how you like to use Serenity Essential Oil, or if you have a favorite essential oil you like to use to relax and calm the mind and the body. Put it in the comments below. Now, if you're interested in downloading my free essential oil usage guide, go ahead and follow the link in the description below, pop your email into the box, and that will be sent directly to your inbox right after that. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. You can also check out some of my other essential oil education series by checking out some of the videos at the end of this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.